Hi, I'm Josh. I'm a junior at Whitman High School and I bake artisan bread. I mean, it's kind of a stress reliever. It's fun and like I like to eat. It tastes good. Like I've never thought of the whole bread baking thing as that like unique an activity, but it's always surprised me that people are so partial to this bread baking. I'll never really understand why. It's just bread, but like yeah, I get a kick out of it.
Would you consider teaching other people and kind of spreading your knowledge?
I have considered it. I was considering even making like it's a bit of a stretch, but bread club.
Josh Rich is now a senior, and the Whitman Bread Club is 8 months old and going strong. The Black and White sat down with Josh and popped in on a few club meetings to catch up on this unlikely success story.
I had one friend, Mr. Vivek Nathan. He was someone else I knew who was interested in baking bread, and I was like, club, like bread club, like crazy idea, right? Bread club. And I'm like, he was a little apprehensive at first, and like we weren't sure where it was gonna go, but at clubs night we had a very strong performance, and it's just sort of spiraled up from there. It's very casual. People sign up when they want to sign up to bake. Bread making as an activity is definitely niche, but as a club, I would say we're almost as inclusive as you could get. And we encourage as many people as possible to come. And it's always great meeting new people, talking to familiar faces.
What's your favorite part about the club? Baking, eating?
Oh, it's the eating, of course. That's like the reward of baking. But baking is like the process, so you gotta respect the process.
Hey Matt, why you join Bread Club?
Okay, I'll take this one.
For the love of the game, dude. I don't do it for the money. I do it for the bread.
This is good. Why you join the club, Ryan?
It's always been a passion of mine. Bread.
The bread.
Big news. Guys, big news.
This is big news. This upcoming Saturday, April 7th, we're going to go as a club to Walk Away Cancer. We're just gonna bake, sell, and raise money for that same cause, give it to the school, all of our proceeds. One thing that I was thinking from the get-go was Walk Away Cancer.
Even as the Bread Club grows in popularity and expands its reach in the community, getting others involved in bread baking has always been Josh's passion.
It's like easy to start and maybe difficult to master, so to speak, but anyone can get good results. I'm just glad that I got at least a few new people to try it every meeting, and the goal is to get as many people into the art as possible.